Okay, so today, guys, we worked on translating words into inequalities. And so before I go over some of the homework questions, I'm going to review with you what each of the symbols look like and what they mean, and words that mean those inequality symbols. Okay, so we talked about in class today that an equation from the last unit meant that two quantities were equal. We use the equal sign to represent that. Well, an inequality means that they're not equal. It means that it's less than or that it's greater than. So instead of an equal sign in this unit, we're going to use symbols that are less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. Okay, so what do these symbols mean? Less than is where the point comes first, and it's saying whatever is on this side is less than whatever is over here. Okay, greater than is exactly the opposite. The mouth comes first, and it says whatever is over here is greater than what's on the other side. Now, less than or equal to and greater than or equal to are just these symbols kind of meshed with an equal sign. So it means it can be that number or anything less. Greater than or equal to means it can be that number or anything greater. Okay, so it's a less than symbol with an equal sign kind of smushed together, a greater than symbol, and then with a line underneath it, that means greater than or equal to. Okay, so words that mean less than. We talked about these in class, and I'm just going to review them with you right now. Words that mean less than are words like less than, fewer than, not as much as, under. So all of these are saying it can't be that number. It's got to be anything less than that. Okay. So for example, the difference of 7 and a number divided by 3 is less than 16. Difference tells us to subtract. So we have 7 minus n/3 less than 16. So this is what you're going to be doing on your homework, is you're going to be translating sentences like this into inequalities. Okay, so words that mean greater than are pretty much the exact opposite of those words that mean less than. Obviously, if we see greater than, more than, over. So for example, the sum of 5 times a number and 7 is greater than 18. We would have 5n, 5 times a number, plus, there's our word sum, 7, is greater than 18. Okay, words that mean less than or equal to. Those are words like no more than, less than or equal to, at most. It says at most, so it could be that number or anything less, and has a maximum of. Has a maximum of would mean like this room has a maximum capacity of 30 students, so I can fit 30 students in here or anything less than that. Okay, words that mean greater than or equal to are words like not less than. So if I want no less than 20 minutes on homework, I want you to spend 20 or anything more than that. Greater than or equal to, at least. Okay, if I want you to go through the flashcards at least twice, that means I want you to go through them 2 times or anything greater than that. Has a minimum of. So if I said the ride has a minimum height of 52 inches, it could be 52 inches or anything greater than that. Okay, so go to your homework. We're going to take a look at question 1. And on question 1, it says Julia scored at least 20 points. So we're going to use a J to help us represent Julia. And then the word at least tells us that we're looking for the symbol of greater than or equal to, and it's greater than or equal to 20. Okay, so our symbol says J for Julia is greater than or equal to 20.